Spud Armstrong with Ag Technologies in Rochester, Indiana, precision farming specialist. We stopped here today to look at this Apache AS1020. I sold it new in 2012. Still service some Apache stuff, but we are not an actual Apache dealer anymore. So these guys called me when we stopped and looked. They had washed the machine, and when they went to clean it out and winterize it for the winter, the boom valves, all the boom valves would not turn on. None of them would. So we stopped out here to look at it, and the constant power to the T-jet valves was not there. First thing I did was actually went back to boom motors and pulled this 3-wire feed in there. There's a constant, should be a constant 12 volt all the time, a constant ground, and then when you kick the master switch on, you should get 12 volt. So I was trying to test for power ground, and I couldn't get nothing at first, and then so we went ahead and switched it on like we'd have the switch 12 volt, and then I could get power and ground, so I knew it was power side. And that power side is also tied to all the boom motors. It comes back and then tees off to each boom motor. So if all boom motors are dead, chances are it's either the power or ground on that side. So I kind of knew what I was looking for, I just had to find it. This year for fall has been really tough to, our weather turned south early in November, and we haven't had any good weather hardly, and so, you know, trying to get burned down stuff done, it's been tough for customers to get what they need to get done, and so, you know, things like this will hold them up, so you don't want to hold them up anymore than you have to. And we found a 30-amp fuse in the cab that was blown, and I actually found a damaged wire that had shorted out and blew the fuse, so we've taped the wire up. It's not really damaged bad, and replaced the fuse, and everything works. So it was an easy job. That's not always that easy. So.